Bonabéry, quartier Ndobo. Ici, les populations ont chassé les eaux à coups de remblage par camions de terre, mais ces eaux ne sont pas bien loin. Inondations ou marées hautes sont le quotidien des populations. Et c'est ici que s'est réfugié Moussongo Lokonye et ses 2 enfants déplacés internes suite à la crise anglophone. Sa grande sœur raconte.
On était à Bamenda et puis les fusillades, ça n'allait pas. Il fallait qu'on cherche une place ici pour être en sécurité avec les enfants. Elle aussi, c'est ma petite sœur. Elle était à Boya avec sa part de famille. Les fusillades, tout et tout consort. Elle m'a appelé que grand sœur, ça ne va pas. Toi, tu es de quel côté? Elle dit que moi-même, je suis de ces côtés. Je me bats de ces côtés. Elle est arrivée avec ses 2 enfants. Et aujourd'hui, on est là. Elle a sa petite kiosque là dehors. Moi aussi, je fais dans le Fépéry.
My situation back in the southwest was good. I had a bookshop which was burned down. Yeah, that is what gave me a trauma up to now. Things were not going. The farm I had, I was managing with my children. Those guys, people were there, they cannot go there because of insecurity. So everything becomes, and I've been a single mother for 11 years now. When the father abandoned me with the 2 kids, I've been the father, I've been the mother. So I was like having a little bit of things to do, a little living, but when those chaos, everything went down, I just came back to zero like this.
Ils sont donc 7 à partager ce studio.
I want to first of all thank God for a sister I have like this, because she took us, no matter her own situation, managing with the 3 kids here. She said, come, we'll do anyhow. She's the one that helped me a little business that I'm doing outside to at least help that we can feed. We can at least buy even slippers for the children. But I want to thank God for life. Even though health-wise I used to battle with health-wise with my second son, but I want to thank God because He's taking care.
Les 2 enfants de Moussongo ont été pris en charge en termes de scolarisation par l'association Les Enfants Monique les Fous de Cœur, et ceci depuis près de 2 ans. En ce premier jour de rentrée scolaire, c'est pour ces enfants un immense plaisir de reprendre le chemin des classes.
When there was strike, we used to shoot gun. Then my mother now took us here to Douala to go for school here because of the situation in Kumba.
And there was school there in Kumba?
No, there wasn't any school.
Les enfants en question manquent de mots pour remercier les donateurs.
I want to thank them for helping pay my school fees because my mother was not able to raise. She will not be able to raise the money to pay the school fees. So I want to thank them very much for paying the school fees. I promise that I will pass my exam.
I will thank the association Les Enfants Monique for paying my school fees and buying my readers.
Le père des 2 enfants a depuis près de 11 années fui le ménage. L'aide de l'association Les Enfants Monique les Fous de Cœur est une véritable manne du ciel, selon Lokonye et sa sœur, toutes 2 petites commerçantes.
I want to first thank God for making me to locate you people and you people locate me. I want to thank God for the good works that you people are doing. I want to say I am really privileged. Les enfants de Monique, les coups de cœur. This is the second time he's helping my children. I am really overwhelmed because little did I know. We are from Boya. We lost everything and my sister said we should come here. And I didn't know how the children will go to school. I just said there we go. But I want to thank God for this day because you people have been so kind to me and my family. We are really grateful.
Les Enfants Monique les Fous de Cœur viennent ainsi en aide chaque année à plusieurs dizaines de femmes enceintes et d'enfants en situation d'indigence.